This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burrito supreme. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need seasoned ground beef, refried beans, sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese, diced onions, and a large flour tortilla. We'll also use a bit of red sauce and some lettuce. Preparing these items beforehand makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Get ready to create a classic Taco Bell favorite right in your own kitchen. Let's talk about the core components. For the seasoned beef, aim for a savory, slightly spicy flavor profile, similar to what you'd find at Taco Bell. The refried beans should be warm and smooth, easy to spread across your tortilla. Don't forget the cool, tangy sour cream and a generous sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. These elements are crucial for achieving that authentic burrito supreme taste and texture. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay your warm tortilla flat. First, spread a thin layer of warm refried beans across the center. Next, add your seasoned ground beef, followed by a generous dollop of cool sour cream. Sprinkle on some shredded cheddar cheese and a few diced onions. Carefully fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it up tightly from the bottom, ensuring all the delicious fillings are securely tucked inside. To complete your burrito supreme, place it seam side down. Drizzle a bit of red sauce over the top, just like they do at Taco Bell. Then, add a generous sprinkle of fresh, crisp shredded lettuce. This adds a refreshing crunch and balances the richness of the other ingredients. Your homemade burrito supreme is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a satisfying meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.